it's Courtney. Welcome back to my channel. I'm looking a little bit crazy because I am doing my 1 month, one Sailor Senshi YouTube tutorial collab situation for May. And I did my base makeup and my brows, and your girl can't figure out her brow situation lately. So they just look really intense. So we're going to do some makeup to hopefully make them look less intense, and bronzer and highlight and stuff like that too. I haven't gotten to that. So this month, so like the other ones, I will link the playlist of this collab. Hair on me. Shedding, apparently. But this is a collab with the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group, and I will have them all linked down below, as well as the link to the Facebook group if you would like to join. And this is either a panning project, like I know a lot of ladies are doing 5 pans, or a couple are doing nail art, and I am doing makeup. I think a couple other people are doing makeup too, just because I can't really do another panning project right now. If you guys have been on my channel, I have a lot going on that are like year long, so that is that. So let's get started. For the month of May, it is Sailor Mars, which I'll pop up a photo over here. And for her colors, they are red, yellow, and orange. And so, appropriately, I have on my Fair State sweater, which is yellow and orange. Well, it's yellow and red, but it's almost most of the colors, so we're just going to go with it. I'm going to grab some makeup, and we're going to go forth. Okay, so I got some options. So I have my Urban Decay Electric palette, which has a very bright orange and a greenish yellow, neon yellow. I've been wanting to try this palette, but I haven't yet. I'm sorry, the sun keeps coming up from behind the clouds, so if the lighting gets all kinds of crazy, that is why. This is a Wet n Wild limited edition palette, but this yellow is like super pretty, so I want to maybe incorporate that somehow. And then in my Urban Decay Shadow Smokes palette, there's this really pretty orange called Free Love that I thought would be pretty, maybe as like a transition color. And then the other colors that I have that are yellow and orange are the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. These two right here. Literally, I live and die for this yellow. This is yellow. This yellow. I bought this palette because I didn't really have a lot of these colors, and I'm like obsessed with them. So we're just gonna go forth and see what we come up with. So if you guys have been around and you've watched any of these other tutorials, you kind of know I just sort of do what I want, and then it ends up looking some type of way. Okay. So I'm going to start with that Wet n Wild palette. This is called A Carrot in the World. And like I said, it was limited edition, so I don't think you can get this anymore. I did prime my eyes already, so that is already taken care of. I am just going to lay this one down as like a transition color. There is not any color payoff. Do you see it? Wow. That is a bummer. Let's just... Yep, okay. Alright, well that's a flopperoonie, so we're going to just move on from that one. I'm going to go grab that orange shade in Free Love and use that in my crease instead. This is a shimmery shade, but I do what I want, so we're going to YOLO, shimmer in the crease, matte on the lid. We don't care. But this one blends out better as like a transition shade, and I think it'll look better in the long run than that yellow. Should I zoom you guys in? Probably. Let's do that. Whee! Oh, it got so dark. Or not. My lighting is terrible today. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Because it's April right now. I'm pre-filming Don't be mad. But I'm pre-filming, and it's still snowing right now in April. Welcome to Michigan, pure Michigan. I feel like we should have a song like about how much it sucks to live in Michigan. But also, all of us never leave because we're like, oh, Michigan's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go into that Zulu palette and, oh, okay, sun. And we're just going to get rid of that little plastic sheet because I don't know why I keep it. I think I'm going to do orange on the outside, yellow on the inside, because that just seems like it would be appropriate. Alright, we got some highlighter orange lids. And yes, by the way, I am wearing this eye look to work today. So we'll just see what happens in the end. I'm going to put yellow on the inner part and then kind of blend them together. And see what happens. This yellow is like not as pigmented as I remember. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to take that big fluffy brush that I used for the transition shade, and I'm going to blend all that together. And brush away the fallout. I'm taking it. Alright, then I'm going to go into my electric palette and grab, I'm not sure yet, maybe the red and put it somewhere. I don't know, maybe I can use that as a liner. That'd be kind of cool. Okay, so let's see. Excuse you, brush. So Slow Burn is actually kind of an orangey shade. But maybe we can use that. I'm going to actually use the brush that comes with this because I haven't yet. And I feel like I could use that as a liner brush. So let's just see what happens. Kind of digging it. Is this one of the ones you're not supposed to use on your eyes? Yup. Oh well. It's too late now. That's my whole thing. Like with this palette, that's my main complaint is like, what is it? Slow Burn, Savage, Jilted, and Urban are not for use around the eye. Then why the frickety frack did you put them in an eyeshadow palette? Like, because you knew we were going to use them anyway, so if we get hurt, it's our own dang fault. But like, seriously, why would you do that? That doesn't make any sense. Where else am I going to use a neon fucking blue? Besides my eye. Like, just... someone explain it to me in the comments, please. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're doing good. I actually really like how this looks. I think it looks really fucking cool. I'm going to put a little bit more of that orange, though, in my outer situation. Sorry, I put it on the floor. Just like ever so slightly. And then, real careful, we're going to just go weep, 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 weep. Ah, perfect. Weep, 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 weep. Ah, perfect. Okay, honestly though, I'm living, breathing, gagging, is that the word I'm looking for? And I think I'm just going to take the gold shade from my All About Bronze palette and kind of just put it over the yellow a little to give it a little bit of shimmer. And do lashes. And be done. I'm going to throw the excess, whatever the orange excess is, underneath. Just to be cool. Do you know that movie, is it The Year Without a Santa Claus? Where like the guy's heat miser and he's like fire, like his whole face is made of fire. That's what I feel like right now. And I feel great. I feel great about it. I have so many palettes right now, I can't figure out what I'm trying to find. Okay, so I am going to just take my NYX single in corset and put that on my inner corner for a little brightness, because I don't really want to put yellow there. And like, if I wasn't going to work, I probably would have put a red shadow there as like another, like a pop of extra color. But since I have to go to work, this is probably as extreme as I want to be. Alright, throw some on the brow bone. Lashes. Ooh, girl, I am feeling myself. I feel like I feel myself every time I make a video that's a makeup tutorial. I don't know. Is that bad? You tell me in the comments. I'm gonna just finish my face really quick with like blush and bronzer and highlight, and then really quick we'll do a close-up and we will wrap up this video. Okay, so this is the finished look. Look, your friend. I really don't think in the camera you can see that I use that slow burn as a liner, but in person you really can. So I'll take some pictures and insert them here as a montage of myself, because I'm self-absorbed. Okay. But definitely go check out everybody else in this collab. They'll all be linked down below as always, and then as well as the Facebook group. So if you are interested in joining, definitely go ahead. It is a really fun community, and we are not exclusive to beauty vloggers, I do not believe. So you can definitely join in all kinds of ways. So I love you guys so much, like I said, and if you want to hang out with me anywhere on social media, that's all down below. Twitter, Tumblr, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and you can also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.